Do you deserve to be successful in the beauty business? Do you really, really straight up deserve success in this world where I believe we are constantly underestimating the work involved? A lot of people, it's that old saying, you get what you put, you reap what you sow. You know how it goes, and that's what we're going to talk about today with your boy Wick. Wick. Shut up. All right, here's the skinny, right? I was massively obese for a long period of time. And the reason why is even though I wanted to be fit and none of my clothes were fitting, but if you looked at my actions, what was I doing? I was eating a copious amount of ice cream, deep dish pizza, Taco Bell. I was exercising little to none. And so a lot of people, if you look at it that way and be like, yeah, well, that's what happens, Wick. You eat too much, you don't exercise. Over time, it is conceivable that you will gain weight. Are you with me? And if I continue that path along enough, are you with me? That's what's going to happen. And for the whole time, I could, in my mind, I want to be thin. I want to be healthier. I want to have guns. I want to have shoulders like, oh, can you see my triceps yet? Almost the diamonds right there. So they're getting there, right? Ooh, look at those. The fibers twitching, right? Oh, right. I wanted that the whole time. Why did I not have them? It was because I was not doing the daily work required. What was the daily work required? That you and I, even though we may not be physical therapists or professional trainers or whatever, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, eat less crap. Yeah, work out more. You stay consistent. In the long run, you will lose weight or have a higher probability of being in the condition you want. What does this got to do with business? One of my biggest struggles that I struggle with is just sitting my ass down and doing the boring work that is required for me to be successful. And that's it. There is a lot of work. It's not sexy. It's freaking boring. It is the paperwork. It is the social media. It is the videos. It is the reach outs. It is the DMs. It is the follow-ups. Business, I believe, I've had this philosophy that it's just this sexy thing, and like I'm some cool Instagram dude, and like, oh, here's where I am at today, and oh, this is what's going on, dude. No, you know what it is? It's me sitting my ass down, making a list or my calendar of things to do, and then sticking to it. It can be boring AF, but it is the work that is required. So the question is this. Again, I was massively obese. Now I am not as obese. I'm actually getting where I want to be, which is awesome blossoms for me. So how insane is it for me to go, I don't know, if I'm not putting in the work, I'm not doing what I know I need to do, what I should be doing. I don't need to read books on how to lose weight, right? I don't need a new recipe thing. I need to put the deep dish pizza down, which is freaking good. The cookies and cream ice cream, need to kind of cut that down. The Taco Bell, do I really need a Nacho Bel Grande all the time? Questionable. But okay, put that down, hit the gym. Put that down, hit the gym. And I realized over time that, wait a minute, a lot of the times when I was eating, I wasn't eating because I was hungry. I was eating because I was bored. I was eating stuff that wasn't fueling my body. I was eating stuff that was, intoxicating my brain like a drug, whatever. And same thing with your business. If you, are you with me? Do you deserve to be successful? And I know a lot of them, oh, of course I deserve to be successful. Of course I deserve it. Okay, are your actions in line with that? And that's the tricky part, right? That is the part was like, we all deserve success. You know, God, we're born to be successful. We're all champions because we're here still. I believe as long as we're here, we're doing God's work. And the minute our work is no longer required, God's going to be like, bloop, scoop us up. But are you with me? Right? So if like Kobe Bryant, I was watching one of his interviews the other day from the Lakers basketball player, if you don't know, and he was talking about, he was just putting in work every day. He'd be doing like 3 hours of free throws. You know how boring it is to stand there and just whoosh, 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 an hour, whoosh, 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 2 hours, whoosh, 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 3 hours, right? But that's that is the work. People see this amazing player or this talent and stuff like that, but what they're not paying attention to is the daily boring work. That is what it is. That is what is required to reach a certain level of success. And a lot of times like, oh, well, you know, I like me, I'm distracted by TV, I'm distracted by Netflix, I'm distracted by YouTube, I'm distracted by even the gym now. Ironically, I'm so addicted to going to the gym now. When I'm working and I don't want to work anymore, I'll go to the gym, which is still a better distraction because it's at least helping me with one of my goals. However, it's still taking me away from the most critical thing I need to be doing, which is the paperwork, which is my emails, which is social media, right? So kind of look at yourself, look at your business. And you know what the worst thing is? The older I get, the more I'm understanding this. You know how stupid it is of me if I know what to do, but I just don't do it. I could do it. I'm capable of doing it. I know I should do it, but I don't do it. Do I deserve success? If somebody else is out there putting in the work, doing this, doing that, they're doing all the things, even when they don't want to do it. I feel a lot of the times the champions in the world are the people that do the work even when they don't want to do it. And a really good example is this: before, when I was still getting into my gym stuff and getting used to going to the gym and all this good shit, right? There's sometimes I wake up and I have a headache, right? And what do I do when I have a headache? I do nothing. I stay in bed and I watch Netflix or whatever, right? So while I was sitting there watching Netflix, did my headache go away? No. I was just comfortable with my headache. And I realized, I go, wait a minute, I'm going to have a headache whether I'm in bed or I'm going to have a headache while I'm at the gym. Either way, I'm going to have a headache. Shouldn't I at least get some benefit out of it? And I would go to the gym even if I had a headache and go there. And lo and behold, a lot of times my headache would go away. It's amazing what fitness will do. It's amazing what getting a good sale will do. It's amazing what, you know, getting new clients will do. You'll be like tired, and all of a sudden somebody buys something or somebody books, like, oh, I got energy all of a sudden. Weird how that works with success. All right. So going back to it, I'm looking at myself, looking at my life, and a lot of the times I just realize that success is simple. Success is easy. Success is not a secret. Success is sitting your ass down, doing the things you need to do, whether you feel like doing them or not. That's it. So the person that does the things that is required of them to succeed, the simple, boring, easy things that doesn't take hours, it doesn't take days to do a social media post, right? They do it whether they feel like it or not. It is an obligation. It's a duty for success. It is the recipe. You know, it is what it is. You can't expect to harvest crops if you don't freaking keep putting in the seeds. Right? So that's what I'm looking at in my life, and just finally getting to that point where I know this is required. Wick, you're going to do it whether you want to or not. Shut the F up, sit your rear down and do it. That's it. No excuses, no trying to be clever, no trying to find easier ways to do it. Just do it. And as you're doing it, you will discover easier ways to do it. As you, in the beginning, when I'm first tying my shoe lace, it took me forever. Over time, well, guess what? You're like, right? Same thing with your business. Same thing with fitness. Woo, woo, woo. Works, dude. It's no formula. It's work. Put in the work. Be one of the four laws of something. I forgot what it was called, but it was like, be impeccable with your word. You say you're gonna do it, do it. You mess up, understand you messed up, go back, do it again. You falter, it's okay, it happens. Go back, do it again. Do not give up. Stay consistent. Do what needs to be done, and then success is much more likely. Success is never guaranteed, but it's much more likely to be attainable. It's you're just increasing your probabilities of success. And in this crazy ass world we live in, I believe we all, the more things are in our favor, the better. Yes. So that's going on in my mind. I'm hoping and wishing you the best always. And there is no secret. Sit your ass down, put in the work, do the boring things, stay there, sit your butt down. Do not turn on YouTube. Do not do this. Do not put on Netflix. Sit your butt down and just be like, I am not going to get up until this is done. And then be impeccable with your word. Be amazing, because it pays much better than not being amazing, I guess. I would venture. Talk to you soon. Peace.